Hello friends, let us continue our discussion on Infosys previous year questions. Okay, this is part 3. In this video we'll see two more questions. Okay, so this other one of the question is from the previous year exam, and the other question I have little bit added a different condition. So we'll try the question, guys. Okay, the question is this: how many 10-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0 to 9 if repetition of the digits is not allowed? So you need to use the digits 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till 9 numbers. So how many numbers are there, guys? 10 numbers. Correct? So I want to form a 10-digit number. Okay? So how I'll solve this question? First of all, let me go with a very basic example, guys. Let me take a small example. Let's say there are three numbers are there. I want to form a 3-digit number. So now arises a doubt where whether I can use the digits only once or more than once. Correct? So let's say repetition not allowed is the first condition. So if repetition of the digits is not allowed, that means any number I can use only once. So the first place can be filled with 1, 2, 3, any of the number in three ways. Think that there is one number is filled here. So obviously the second place, two ways. One more number came here. Third place, I cannot use those digits again. So only one number is left. So 3 times 2 times 1. I can write it as 3 factorial also. Remember, when n and r is same, then number of arrangements would be npr will be n factorial. Okay. Let me go with the other thing. Repetition not allowed. Okay. So when repetition is not allowed, repetition allowed. Okay, repetition allowed. So now, if repetition is allowed, that means I can use the numbers more than once. Correct? More than one time I can use. So let's say this place can be filled with any of the three numbers in three ways. One number is here. So obviously, for the second place, again I can use the all three numbers now, because I can use any number more than once. So it is of again three ways. The third place is also of three ways. So it would be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3q. So this is 27. So 3 factorial is 6, where I can say n power r is the formula for this thing, where n equals to number of digits and r equals to number of places. I hope you understand, guys. Correct. Now let us see. Now try to relate this question here. But be careful, there is a number 0 here. Let's say I want to make a 10-digit number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if I want to make 10-digit number, you would be given answer like 10 digits, 10 numbers and 10 places are there. So you would have been thinking answer as 10 factorial, right? But this will be wrong here. The reason is there will be few cases where you would have been filled 0 here. If I take 0 in the first place, it will never become a 10-digit number. Correct? It will become a 9-digit number. So there is a default condition when there is 0 given in the data. Okay, now so except 0 I can use any number here. So that means out of this remaining 9 numbers I can use any number. So this place can be filled in 9 ways. Now out of these 9 numbers, one number is here. As repetition not allowed, I cannot use that number again. So out of this 9, there are 8 numbers in my 8 numbers available enough, and I can use 0 now. Correct? So total how many numbers? Total 9 numbers are there. So 9 numbers, 9 places. It would have been 9 factorial ways. So the answer is 9 into 9 factorial. I hope you understand. Now the same data, the next question will be if repetition is allowed. Okay, so pause the video and try this question and then go through the solution. Okay, let us move to next. So the same question, guys. How many 10-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0 to 9 if repetition of the digits is allowed? Okay, so I want to form a 10-digit number, and repetition of the digits is allowed. Okay, so I hope you had passed the video and you had solved the problem. Now I'll see. As the condition, as the data in the data, there is 0, the same condition where 0 I cannot use here. I cannot use 0 here. To accept 0, I can use any other number, which would have been how much? 9 ways. So 1 to 9 are 9 numbers, so 9 ways I can fill it. Now whatever the number I have used here, I can use again. Correct? So now I can use 0 also. So that means how many possible cases available? How many possible numbers are available to fill the second place? Obviously 10 numbers. And what about third place? 10 numbers. Fourth place, 10 numbers. Now you can apply your formula n power r, where n is the digits, r is the places. So obviously now in my hand there are 10 numbers. So 0 to 9 I can use any numbers. So 10 power, how many places? These are 9 places. 9 into 10 power 9 would be my answer. I hope you understand the solution. Okay, fine guys. If you do like the content, please do stay tuned to the videos and try to solve all the videos. It will be beneficial for you at the time of the exam for sure. Okay, I'm going to cover all the models from aptitude and reasoning in this series. Thank you.